Let me begin by telling you the most important thing about writing an essay. An essay is an argument. It's an argument. It's not a description. It's not a narrative. An essay is not a retelling of a story. Your job, writing an essay, is to convince me on paper why the view that you hold on a particular topic is correct. Why it's sound, why it's strong. Think of yourself like a courtroom lawyer. You walk into the courtroom in the morning, you don't say, "Your Honour, Mr. Brown may be guilty or he may not be guilty. I'm not really sure." No, you say, if you're that lawyer, you say, "Your Honour, Mr. Brown is not guilty and let me tell you why." And you lay out your case strongly. Essay writing is exactly the same. Take a view, take a side, have an opinion, support it with good evidence, and write a convincing A-grade essay.